AAU 5733 Installation Guide, Assembling Mounting Kits, Downtilt Scenario. The video includes the preceding contents. Installing the downtilt supporting arm on the AAU upper handle. Remove M12 bolts from outer sides of the AAU upper handle. Place the long arm of the downtilt supporting arm on the AAU lower handle and align the holes on the long arm with those on the handle. Insert M12 bolts into the holes on the upper handle and use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts. Ensure that the secured downtilt supporting arm is vertical to the handle. Installing the lower main bracket on the AAU lower handle. Place the lower main bracket on the AAU lower handle. Push the bolts on the lower main bracket into the holes and tighten the bolts. Loosen the right bolt on the lower main bracket to facilitate subsequent pole-mounted installation of the AAU. The mounting kits are assembled.